Hello, just watch this video.
Alright, so I know say a lot of Nigerians go to say wetin dey behind me na fan. Maybe na the fan they blow where make Europe dey cold. But you see what is behind me? A lot of Nigerians have never seen it, and a lot of Nigerians will not see it till they buy. And you know why? Because you have bastards as your politicians. You know why I call them bastards? Because they come to this country and they see all of this. They see it. They come here. Because they come here for medicals. Their children, they come here for school. They come here for vacation. They come here for a lot of things. But they never emulate or copy anything and take it back to Nigeria. Now, what is this? It is called wind turbine. Now, what does it do? It converts kinetic wind energy into electrical energy. So if you hear say they say Europe get lights, their lights no they off. Now things like this. Now why they do? Where you go see say 24 hours, they don't get lights problem. Things like this. How does it work? As this big plate, show that big plate. Zoom that plate. Now, as this plate they turn, as see the plate they turn, it go turn. It will generate something. That's electric, that energy, that kinetic energy will go down. You get something maybe like generator. That generator now will come convert them to electricity. And if you look this thing there around Germany, turn, you go see them scatter everywhere. Zoom that place. Zoom out. Zoom that place. Did they see it? It is everywhere. Not be make Europe, because not to send a fan, no, not be fan. It is everywhere. Like I said, these people know the right things to do, but they will never do it. They will steal our money, they will come abroad, come and enjoy their life, and go back. You know why? Because they know that if they change Nigeria, I don't even get reason why they don't change up. But a lot of people don't want power to come to Nigeria. They don't want more get electricity. You know why? Because they chop oil money. If electricity they who go buy fuel for generator? The oil sector, they frustrate. Right now, what do we use in Nigeria? We use hydropower. The one where they get electricity, we're going to get from the dam. These people, they use hydropower. They use solar power. They use wind turbine to generate electricity. So you can see now our politicians are cursed. But guess what? They are not only the problem. The people we're supposed to request, we're supposed to stand their ground and say, we must change this country. Now those same people that they use take the fight the people. They'll carry 5,000 naira, give you, 10,000 naira, give you. But when they won't go vacation, they don't go carry you. When they are picking no well, they don't go carry you. When they won't go do a medical checkup, they don't go carry you. Only you go to Nigeria. But they go use you during election. 5,000 naira, 10,000 naira. They go, you go stand against your own people. They tell them, say, come over here, John. They don't show me love. Now, politics in Nigeria is not about person where go do well. The person where they give them, they chop. You are chopping, they are giving you petty things from your future. Small things. Come Europe and come and see. When we go, we'll show you not just that. That's not number one. Number two, look at the farms. I had to come deep into this area. See farm. Turn again, see farm. Full of the herdsmen! Full of the herdsmen! Herdsmen! Oh, that journey begins. You know, it's not simple. See house for you? Look at now. No house. No house. Here, I just farm. Show all this side. Show them. See how farmland long. Show them! So you know, see that country, they cursed with the devil. Herdsmen! 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 Yeah, this is not Nigeria. May God help us. Peace and love. Don't play. Alright, so again, this is not solar power. Run around. Schwam, see how it plenty. No be private so now government put her here to supply lights to these people. You see that village? And after that, still turn around. See, show there. That are the wind turbine again. See, now come. Oyibo no get juju, and less greed, and the betterment of their people. No be saying go say, Oyibo get like 24 hours. Now because they're this superior, no, because they put their people first. But our Nigerian politicians, thieves! And they come here, they see all these things. They got them first. Anyways, peace and love, don't play.
100% right.